In this video, we'll create a new app, Emoji Art. So let's go to Xcode. Create a new Xcode project. Single view app. Next, Emoji Art. Next. Okay, create. Let's go to Main.storyboard. Here we are, and let's switch to iPad 9.7-inch simulator. No, this is a template. Okay, make it smaller. And we can hide this one. Now click the plus sign, and this time we use label, drag and drop. Let's increase the font size. Okay, and we can also click this T icon and to change the value here, say 60. Done. And there's two different ways to modify the label here. So we can do here like hello, or we can double click this one and say emoji art. Okay, so let's put it in the middle. Nice. And let's grab another one, label, control, no, drag and drop. So let's use 100. Oh, sorry, 100 for the font size. Yeah, very big. And let's remove that. And this time we'll insert emoji. So click here, edit, emoji and symbols. What do you like? Apple? Let's see. Animal? Okay. What about oh, yeah, apple here. So enter. Ta-da! And what about orange? Okay. Oh, we can make a copy of that. So select that and Command C and Command V. Now we have another one here, and we can modify its text to orange. Yeah, and press enter. Okay, cool. So we can make a snowman. Let's make another copy of this guy. Command C, Command V, and move it here. And let's change it to this guy, snowman. Enter. Wow, cool. Let's close this one and make the snowman much bigger. 100, maybe 500. Let's see. Done. Ooh, oh, a little bit too big. It's too big. No? Yeah. Let's see. Maybe 300 is better. $300. Done. Cool. Let's run it to enjoy our emoji art. So we select. Let's select the iPad 9.7-inch simulator and run it. Ta-da!